Assalamu alaikum all of you. This is the fifth and last lesson based on sequence and series. Outline of this lesson is series and the practice questions. Now what is series? Student, if you have any sequence, journal sequence, arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence or any other sequence, you are just putting the addition sign between the terms of the sequence. That sequence is shifted into the series, and the sequence may be a finite or infinite. For example, 2, 10, 8, 2, 4, 8 and 10. 10 is the last term, then this is the finite sequence and we are putting the addition sign. This sequence is shifted into the series, same like the infinite series. Now the notations of summation is sigma is the Greek letter which means sum. For example, the series 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, this series can be written in the form of summation like sigma k 1 to infinity into 2k. 2k is the called the index of the summation. Infinity is the upper limit, 1 is the lower limit, and k goes from 1 to infinity. These are some natural numbers and the summation sign like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms, then 1 k goes 1 to n into k. If we are taking the square of the natural number, the summation sign is 1 to n into k square. If we are taking the cube of the natural number, then we are written in the form of summation like k goes 1 to n and k cube. Now the formulas for calculating the natural term series are simple natural number, square term and cubic term. These are the general formulas which we are which already drive in so many books. So these are the formulas. If you have a constant term, then you are applying the summation on constant term, then the summation will be the n. If you are taking a simple natural number series and you want to find the summation of all the natural number, we are just replacing the n into n plus 1 divided by 2. For k square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and k cube, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into whole square. So this is the example which is a finite example k 1 to 8. This is the simple natural term series. You can find the simple natural form number for finding the summation, and you are using the formula like this one. We are saying the upper term and the lower term of the sequence. Upper term is 8, upper term or upper limit is 8 and the lower limit is 1. So we are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. We are simply add these number and we get the answer is 36. If you are using the formula like n into n plus 1 divided by 2, we are just replacing the n is 8. So after simplification we get the answer is 36. In this example you can see, if you having a k, or you can have the values, the sequence is the generic form, like in the form of summation you just replace the upper limit in the sequence in the formula, you get the summation or you get the sum of the series. Now these are the practice question for yourself at the end of the lesson, end of this video and the end of the whole chapter. If you have any query related to these questions, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.